Hi, so we are back with another gaming laptop related video. In today's video, we have Alienware M15, M15R1. Okay, this one came in 9th generation and 8th generation with RTX and GTX both models. It's a gaming laptop Alienware, and today we have a question from viewer like how to change the battery of this laptop. So I will show you how to change the battery of Alienware M15 R1, or you can call it only M15. And the registered model for this one is P79F or P79F001. Okay, in order to change the battery, first of all you will need to remove the screws starting from the back side, 1 2, and then hinges screws 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So actually there are 11 screws including these two, which you will need to remove first in order to remove the back cover of this laptop, this one. So after removing the screws, some screws will not get removed because they are like fixed into the back cover. I will show you what I am talking about. So let's remove the back cover. I already have removed the screws so that we can save some time. So let's remove the back cover. You will need to use any kind of plier, or if you have any hard plastic, or there is one tool named opener like this one. Okay, if you are not able to remove the back cover, then you will need to push here and then do like this, here and then do like this. But beware, don't destroy the USBs. If you will put inside, you can make a short circuit which can ruin all of your laptop. So don't do that, and be careful while using any object like this one. Better to use a plastic object. This one is metal. Okay, so remove the back cover like this. And we were talking about some screws that they are not removable. So this one is the example. If you can see, there is one holding metal on the back side, which will not let the screw to get removed from the back cover. Okay, same like this one, this side also, here and then here and then here, like this. So now let's talk about the battery. So this is the battery, this one. In order to remove, first remove the cable here. You will need to remove it. There is one handle over here. Just hold it and then pull it out. Okay, like this. And then remove the screws, 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 over here. Okay, after removing the screws, you can take out the battery. Right now we have one screw over here, so remove it and then change the battery again, put the screws back and then put the cable again. How to put the cable, I will show you. There are some grooves match the grooves on the slot like this, if you can see it. Yes, put it over and then push it in. Okay, like this. After putting the battery back, put back the back cover again. Put inside the heatsink side first, like this, and then press here. We'll listen some clicks like this, and then after pushing a little bit, just tight all the screws back on the back side as well. Then you will be able to use your new battery. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this video will help those people who want to know about how to replace the battery of Alienware M15. Thanks again. Bye bye.